Recording. Okay, this is the Ultimate Draft Football Break, full case, 12 boxes, 7 o'clock, July 17th break. This is the box, the case right here. I'm going to start ripping. Like I said, if for some reason there's a problem with the stream, everything will be recorded, nothing will be cut out, and you'll be able to view it complete. Not that I'm expecting any problems, but YouTube has been having some issues. I had everything checked out on my side and it seems okay, so it's a YouTube issue. Okay, 12 boxes of Ultimate Draft on the table. Yes, Richard, I got your payment. I'm going to start ripping these open. Again, anyone interested in a 3-box Luminous random team break, $30 a spot, let me know in chat if you're interested in how many spots you want, and then you PayPal the money and we will get it out to you. We'll break after the last break tonight. Okay, guys, let's see what this first one has for us. Seth Williams, 15 of 15. Dwayne Eskridge, 2 of 10. Dwayne Eskridge. Rondale Moore, 10 of 50. Rondale Moore, 10 of 50. 9 of 10, Javon Hollins. Some nice low number hits here. And a Rashad Bateman, 47 of 50. That's the first box, guys. We're going to keep rolling box by box. Okay. Again, if you guys are interested in doing another break after these breaks, let me know in chat. So far, we've sold 2 spots of the 32. 30 left. All teams will be random. You may end up with the Jaguars and a Trevor Lawrence. You may end up with the Steelers and may end up with the Browns if you're real unlucky, I guess. Chris Evans to 99. Oh, let me shrink this down. Chris Evans, 39 of 99. Des Fitzpatrick, 47 of 50. Paulson Adibu, 10 of 30. Khalil Herbert, 22 of 50. And a Jamar Chase autograph card, level and card, including parallels, will be awarded at time of fulfillment. How's the video quality, guys? Still looking okay? I'm still getting an error, but hey, thank you, Dog Pound. Dog Pound's in on the extra break. You guys need to get in. 30 bucks a spot. We'll random off all 32 teams. We'll do the break right after we do our 6-box Luminous break. If it works out, we can do this in the future and save eBay fees and save you guys some money. I know we're all about saving money. Here we got next, Andre Cisco to 99. Asante Samuel Jr. to 99. Kerry Vincent Jr. to 50. We have a 1/1 printing plate, Jacoby Stevens. Jacoby Stevens, 1/1 auto. And a Kyle Pitts to 99. Nice box there. That's 3 boxes down. Dylan Moses, 17 of 25. Dylan Moses. Here's a nice looking card here to 25. Michael Carter, pure talent. Michael Carter, pure talent. Tyson Campbell, 22 of 30. 22 of 30. And here's a Chubba Hubbard, 2 of 99. I think Dog Pound has that one. And a Trey Lance to 99. He's one of the hottest guys right now. Trey Lance to 99. Nice hit there. How are you guys feeling about this product? I have a chance to get another case for next week. Anyone interested in doing that one again? Doing this stuff here? I think it's loaded with stuff. I think it's a great deal. Don't forget, I have that Luminous offered up. 3 boxes of Luminous, 32 spots, random team, 30 bucks. That includes your postage, by the way. Tyler Shelvin to 99. Sam Eilinger to 15. Someone said there's an Eilinger coming. There it is. 14 to 15. Sam Eilinger. Brendan Knox to 99. Here's a nice one. J.C. Horn. Autograph card level, including parallels, will be awarded at the time of fulfillment. And here's a huge hit. This guy's hotter than a firecracker. Zach Wilson, 20 of 99. Zach Wilson. We got a couple of the big quarterbacks already with lots of time to go. Richard's in for next week. Richard, are you in for the $30 random? You can add it into the stuff you already have if you're interested. Israel Mukuamu to 35. Tylan Wallace to 99. Pat Freirmuth to 30. Look at that. Pittsburgh Steeler. Pat Freirmuth. Gregory Rousseau to 99. Another hot prospect there. And Elijah Moore to 99. Some nice hits tonight, guys. This case seems to be pretty loaded. That's half the case. Half the case to go. Dwayne Eskridge going to Delaware. Is that right? No thanks for the random. Okay. Whoop. Oh, it's your Freirmuth, huh? You want to sell that? I'd be a buyer. Matt Bushman to 30, 25 to 30. Matt Bushman. Here's Brady White to 10, 5 of 10. Brady White. That one's headed to Canada too. Javon McKinley to 99. Asim Rose Jr. 1 of 30. Number 1 of 30. And here's a huge hit here for someone. 34 of 50. Mac Jones. Look at that. Mac Jones, 34 of 50. We've been hitting all the big quarterbacks. There's still a couple guys left. I'd like to see us hit them too. Mac Jones, Zach Wilson. That's what I like about this product. Everybody gets some nice hits. Here we go. Brevin Jordan to 50. Jarrett Patterson, 6 of 15. That kind of blends in well with my background. Look at that. Daz Newsome, 6 of 10. Elijah Mitchell, 8 of 10. And here's another one of those big quarterbacks, guys. This one's a biggie. 33 of 50. Justin Fields. Ohio State. Chicago Bears. Justin Fields to 50. So we've hit Zach. We've hit Justin. We've hit Mac. We hit Eilinger. Could there be a Trevor? Could there be a Trevor in this box? Or a Kellen Mond, Brandon says. Brandon would like to see a Kellen Mond. And I can tell you this next guy ain't a quarterback just looking at him, even if I didn't see whether he was a quarterback or not. And that's Christian Barmore /35. Cheeseburger himself. Tutu Atwell, 91 of 99. Sean Wade, number 1 of 25, an emerald. That's a nice looking card there. 1 of 25. That's an eBay 101, I think, is what they call that. 77 of 99, Penei Sewell. And from Penn State, 6 of 25, Micah Parsons. 3 boxes to go, guys. 3 boxes to go. Good luck, everyone. A redemption on top. I don't think I've ever seen a redemption on top. From Penn State, Jason Owe. Autograph redemption /35, Joseph Asai. Here's a low-level quarterback prospect out of 20, KJ Costello. 1 of 35, Ben Skowronek. Ben Skowronek. And here's a guy that's hot. 26 of 50. Travis Etienne. This guy's on fire. Travis Etienne. 2 boxes left. Hopefully the guys in the Luminous break will want to get into the next break, and then we'll have a break after that break. Otherwise, I'll be refunding Dog Pound and anyone else that wanted to get in it. So far, just Dog Pound, I guess. Next to last box. Good luck, everyone. 4 of 35, Jalen Twyman. Jalen Twyman from Pitt. Here's 15 of 50, Patrick Surtain. Nice autograph there. /35, Kwity Paye. Kwity Paye. /25, Daryl Slayton. And a 99, Kadarius Toney. 1 box to go. Will we find a Trevor in that box? We've hit pretty much every other quarterback. Is there going to be a Trevor in this box? We're going to know here very shortly. Good luck, everyone. Let's try to get something big in the final box. Trayvon Grimes /50. /35, Jamie Newman. /99, Raheem Boyd. /15, Stevie Scott. And for the Miami Dolphins, of 30, Jalen Waddle. That's a good hit. Jalen Waddle from Miami Dolphins. Okay, guys, that's the break. That's all 12 boxes there. Some nice hits. Some of you guys did really well. So I'll see you at the next break, which is at 8 o'clock. 8 o'clock, we do the 6-box Luminous break, and we'll try to sell some more of those Luminous spots. If we don't, Dog Pound will refund your money. So until then, good luck, guys. I appreciate you being in the business. Appreciate you being in the break. And I'll see you on the next break. Thank you.